Want to make $100 a day from the comfort of your own home, even if you have zero experience? I know it sounds like a dream, but it's absolutely possible. Today, I'm going to break down some real, simple methods that anyone can start right away. And hey, if you want a detailed step-by-step guide for everything I'm about to mention, just check out the link in the comments and description below. Ready? Let's get into it. First up, freelancing without special skills. You really don't need to be an expert to start. There are tons of micro-tasks out there like data entry, removing backgrounds from photos, writing captions, or simple copy-paste jobs. You can find these on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and Clickwork. The key is to start small and be consistent. If you stick with it, you could easily earn your first $100 in just a week. Next, let's talk about affiliate marketing. This is another super easy way to earn money without creating your own product. All you do is promote other people's products through your social media, like on Instagram stories or YouTube shorts. Every single time someone buys something through your unique link, you get a commission. It's that simple. And if you're wondering how to get started, the detailed guide I mentioned is waiting for you down below. Method number 3 is using simple AI tools to generate income. With amazing tools like Canva for design, ChatGPT for writing, and CapCut for video editing, you can create awesome content for businesses. Think thumbnails, social media posts, or short promotional videos. You can then sell these services online. The AI does most of the heavy lifting. You just fine-tune it and deliver the final result. Fourth on the list is online tutoring or coaching. If you're good at explaining things, why not teach online? You can teach subjects like English, math, or even basic computer skills on sites like Priply or Canva. For many of these, you don't even need a formal degree, just solid communication skills and a little bit of confidence. You're just sharing knowledge you already have. And finally, let's talk about YouTube automation. This is a game changer, because you don't even need to show your face. You can use voiceovers, stock footage, and AI-generated scripts to build a completely faceless channel. Once your channel grows and you hit monetization, you can easily start making $100 a day, or even more, from ad revenue. So, there you have it. 5 easy ways to start making $100 a day from home, even if you're a total beginner. If you want the detailed tutorials and walkthroughs for each of these methods, don't forget to check out the link in the description and the pinned comment. I've laid it all out for you. If this was helpful, please give this video a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more online income ideas. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.